everyone, I'm Auntie Belle.
Hi, I'm Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time!
Okay, so we're starting off with who we are, sinong auntie mo.
Yes.
Sino nga ba tayo?
Ay, hindi ko rin alam.
Napaka-irrelevant naman natin, di ba? Para
Naman tayo
nandito
si
tayo.
Karen.
So, pakilala na natin yung sarili
Okay.
natin. You go first, Auntie Karen.
Okay, ako si Auntie Karen. A mother of 2 grown boys, married for 28 years.
Wow.
Yes, 28 years. And currently, I am an executive director in one of the most prominent restaurant organizations in the Philippines. And I'm also heavily involved in Philippine sports. Ako yung Dragon Lady of Philippine Sports. Ikaw, ano ka?
Yes, I know.
Charis.
Dragon Lady.
Yes.
Ako ay isa lang namang corporate girly.
Yes.
Corporate girly. Ano pa ba? A foodie. I'm a mom as well of a 17-year-old boy. And then also happily married. For wag na natin itanong, baka ma-question ng asawa ko kung tama. Because hindi ko memorize. I think wag na natin
Brain
pag-usap.
fog. Ang
Yes.
tawag dyan, ante.
So that's that. May next question tayo eh. Introduce yourself with a twist, meaning 3 words lang, ante. Describe yourself. With a twist kasi, 3 words na hindi mag-a-agree yung mga nakakilala sa atin. Ano yon? Sige
Ako,
nga.
word number 1. Ay, words ba?
Word lang, te.
Mabait. Oh, ano ba? Friends kami forever.
Okay, mabait.
Hindi mag-agree ang mga kakilala ko, but I know I am mabait.
Sige, pwede
Oh,
na
ikaw
din.
naman, anong word mo?
Ha? Explain mo daw further. Kasi para sa akin, malayo yung mabait sa maldita.
Oo, mabait ako. Ewan ko. Basta alam ko mabait ako in my heart.
Okay, so number 2, moving on to the word number 2.
Ano ba sa akin? People know me as Mataray, but galit lang ako sa tanga, tsaka sa bobo. So pag natarayan ko,
So mag-agree lahat dyan. So dapat ka mag-disagree, ante.
ano ba dapat?
Dapat word na magdi-disagree yung mga kilala mo.
Na malumanay ako?
Oo.
Malumanay ako.
Hindi ka malumanay. te.
Malumanay ako. I think.
Hindi,
sometimes.
hindi talaga.
Okay.
Sa third.
Third, mabait, malumanay, at saka tahimik. Oh! I like tahimik lately. In the past year, I enjoy spending time with myself. Kaya tahimik ako. Siyempre, I'm having conversation with myself lang. O, ikaw naman.
Okay, first word. Punctual ako.
Ay, nako! Diyos ko, Lord! No! Oh my God, no!
Pero sa totoo lang, walang personalan. Kahit pamilya ko, hindi ako nagiging punctual. Hindi naman matagal. Minutes lang.
Oy,
naman.
minsan
So, wali kayo special. Lahat kayo pantay-pantay. Late ako lahat sa inyo. Walang special treatment. Lahat kayo.
Okay.
So, yan.
Sige.
Number 2 na word is introverted, I think.
You're not. You organize everything from the theme to the food at pag hindi kami sumunod doon.
Oo, hindi nga ako introverted kasi mahilig akong mag-get together to gather all my friends together. That's
Yes.
why Auntie Karen and I are still together
Yes.
because since college,
Yes.
no? Since college, we're together until now. Kasi nga, I keep everybody together.
Yes.
Nangungulit ako.
You are the Velcro. You are the glue.
Nangungulit ako sa lahat.
Yes, yes.
Now, we really have to get together. We really have to see each other. Diba? So, yun.
Trueness.
So, hindi rin ako
Hindi
introverted.
ka
Tama
introverted.
naman yun.
Oo, hindi ka introverted.
Ano pa? Another word about me na hindi maniniwala ang ibang kong kakilala is, so wild! Hindi ba ako wild?
Saan? Prudential guarantee ka, ante?
Hindi naman. Hindi lang ako, ano ba yon? Hindi ako yung tipong gagawa ng bagay na nangunguna. Titignan ko muna yung ibang mga tao, how they do it, and then how they fail, and then I'll laugh, and then I'll copy it eventually.
Yes,
Yun.
that's
Kung ano
so
man yung
you.
wildness nila. No, to be honest, no, nauna na ako sa inyong maglasing, magtakas sa mga kotse, lumabas during our time, gimmick-gimmick pa yung uso nun eh. So, tatakas kami, itatakas ko yung kotse, pupunta kami sa mga bars, at 16, te. Sana
16,
nanonood yung
oo.
anak ko. At 16, inuman na. And then, uuwi kaming lasing. But, when I turn 19,
College, oo.
wala na.
Oo.
Nauna na ako eh.
Tsaka nauna ka
Nauna na
sa,
ako sa
alam mo, naalala mo
inuman.
yung uso ngayon na center ang hati.
Oo,
Tapos banat na banat. Nauna ka doon, girl.
Nauna ako doon. Wala lang,
Mid-90s pa lang.
wala sa timing
Ang
lang.
hati niya sa
Ngayon lang
gitna.
sila nakakahabol.
Yes, yes.
Oo,
After,
nag-trend setting
yes,
tayo doon.
30 years.
Correct.
Yes.
So, yun na nga. We've known each other for...
Since mid-90s.
Yeah.
College
That's
years.
correct. So, ikaw muna. Exciting yan.
Sa school,
Okay.
kablock kita.
Correct. Classmates tayo.
Classmates tayo, first year.
Kasama natin ng maraming... buong half of the
halos,
class
oo.
actually magkakasama.
Magkakasama tayo. Pero what stuck to us was,
Ay, alam mo rin
alam
to.
natin yan.
Unang-una pa lang, nagkasundo kaming lahat dahil sa
Panlalait.
panlalait. Yun lang. Yun talaga.
We love
Yung mga
panlalait.
tinitignan namin, yung mga ano lang naman.
Kasi sa school
mga
namin,
fashion choices ng mga
sa school
tao.
namin, meron kaming tambayan doon. We call it lanay.
Correct.
Uupo doon, kundi sa classroom. Uupo ka, tapos lahat ng students, dadaan doon.
Ayun.
Titignan mo.
So, yung mga fashion choices nila. Yun, doon kami
Ang baduy
nag-bond.
niyang babaeng yan.
Doon kami nag-bond.
Yes.
And ito makakalimutan, siguro nakalimutan mo na to. Una tayo na parang naging close kasi we're a big group. Pero close tayong lahat, pero it's so difficult to be close to each other ng ganun kalaki, 'di ba? So tayo ang naging close tayo, as lang yung word, MIRC.
Oh my God, yes!
Naalala mo?
Alam mo yun! Oh my
Naalala
God,
mo?
hindi
Oh,
nila
guys,
alam
hindi
yung
nyo na alam
MIRC.
yun. Ang MIRC is Internet Relay Chat. Ito yung uso during that time na internet,
Oh my God.
nagchat-chat-chat,
Na-dial up pa yung internet noon. Yung
Correct.
ting,
And,
ting, 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 ting.
and internet cafe, wala pa tayo sa bahay nito.
Wala
We
pa sa
go to
bahay.
internet
Pupunta
cafe
kami sa internet cafe sa loob-looban ng Katipunan.
para mag-chat
Mag-chat.
kung kani-kanino.
Kung
Ang
kani-kanino.
favorite niya, mga foreigner.
Yes.
Yan ang mga
kasi
kausap
yun lang
niya.
naman available nun.
Sa bagay.
Oo.
So, yun. So, si Auntie Karen yun, hindi nyo natatanong, muntik nang malulunyan sa IRC. Muntik ko na i-rehab yan.
Oo, as in, hindi na ako
Na-addict siya doon.
pumapasok.
Dahil doon.
Oo.
Pero doon tayo naging close, Ante.
Oo, doon tayo naging
Kasi,
close. Among
doon tayo
other,
Among other things, we also had subjects together na ang haba nung gap. Remember, ang haba nung gap. So, ang ending namin, mag-iinuman kami in between.
Yes.
Tia Maria,
Tia
hello.
Maria, so pagkabalik namin,
Buhay pa
lasing
ba?
na
Wala
lasing
na.
tayo nun.
Oo, wala na tayo. Wala na Tia
Lango-lango,
Maria ngayon.
diba? Oo.
Pagdating natin sa next class,
Okay na. Ang galing
bangenge
na namin.
na
Bangenge
tayo.
na tayo.
Is the term.
Yes.
During that time, lasing tayo.
That's true. Oo nga.
And we also had a couple of, ano ba tawag doon? Takas sa mga cutting classes.
Oo. Wala
Right?
pang, mind you, meron ng mega mall nun-ish.
Oo, pero we went to SM North EDSA at that time.
SM North
Remember, we
EDSA,
watched a
oo.
movie.
Yes.
Going there, 12 in the car, remember?
Oo. Dun sa
Twe-
Toyota
10?
Corona nyo, na pinagkasya natin, mukha tayong boyoyong clowns.
But in fairness, mga balingkinitan pa tayo. no?
Kabataan
So, 12 or 10 or 12, including the driver.
Yes!
So
Yes.
we watched a movie and then we came back from, this is one of the fondest memories, no? So, when we came back to class, galit na galit yung teacher natin kasi sinumbong tayo ng mga natira. Tatlo lang silang hindi
Tatlo
natin
yata
sinama
hindi,
kasi.
Tapos buong class yata kami pumunta.
Correct. Mababait na tayo
Mababait
ngayon.
na tayo.
Oo.
Tayo ay mahinahon, mabait.
Hindi ako sure, pero sige.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Yes, nag-continue yung friendship natin even after
Nag-continue,
college.
pero meron akong moment of hiatus because remember, right after college, I got married.
Correct. Ay, wait. I have a comment on that. Sa lahat sa barkada natin, ikaw yung last na iniisip namin magpapakasal.
Mag-aasawa.
Because Karen is very rah-rah-rah in
Yes.
whatever career
So
or
they weren't
whatever she's gonna
expecting. And
lobby.
I remember nung sinabi ko engaged na ako, parang bakit buntis ka? Hindi. Ba't ka mag-aasawa? Wala.
Exactly.
Because he asked. And I've been dating my husband, my boyfriend and my husband now for 5 years, 4 years.
So nahiya ka
4
pala
years.
makiban sa amin during that time.
Hindi.
Meron
no.
ka pala nun, ante. Charot.
May boyfriend ako noon. Kilala
Hindi,
mo na.
alam ko, pero yung nahiya ka to join us.
Before,
Hindi ko alam
because
na
I was
mahiya.
busy,
Oo.
after college na, diba?
Oo.
I was busy having babies.
Oh.
Remember, I had my
Correct,
first baby at 22.
Correct.
And then, my youngest now, I had them at 25. So, pretty much, 21, nag-asawa ako or something, 22, ano na, kasi I got married and I got pregnant right away. I waited like 3 months.
Correct.
So, and I was practically a child bride.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? So, talagang parang
Takang-taka kami noon,
Oo,
actually.
diba?
What
Na,
was going
kasi
on?
parang, ano yung party girl ako, na parang,
Correct.
pag meron lang namang ladies night,
Correct.
freeloader
But
tayo.
I remember, correct me if I remember, nagso-smoke ka din.
I smoke a lot. You know, I remember, hindi na ako kain ng lunch. Basta, Marlboro mediums ang aking
Oh, yun,
yosi.
I remember.
Never mind kung hindi ka kain, walang problemang wag kumain.
So you had to stop when you gave,
Of course, cold turkey. Cold turkey.
when you got
Oo,
married,
oo,
you have a baby.
Oo.
So hindi ka namin nakikita noon for a while, but eventually, we got together.
Yeah.
And then dire-diretso na.
Dire-diretso
so
na.
the get-together was very different from the then and now, right?
Yeah, because you got married
Late.
way longer.
Late.
Late
Hindi naman
na,
late. Like, late 20s.
20s.
Pero we still see each other. Ang mga gimmick na natin noon were dinner na.
Dinner
So,
na.
nagde-dinner na lang kami lagi, catching up.
Pero wala nang party bar. Ano?
Wala na.
Wala.
Dinner na lang talaga, quiet. And nag-iba rin yung topics of conversation natin. Nag-mature, I would say.
Because you guys were building your careers
Yes.
while I was building my family.
Correct.
Diba?
Agree.
Contrary kasi, party girl ako talaga ng college.
Yes.
Like, yung batch na yung mga second year till parang lahat ng bars and clubs, memorize namin ng ladies night. Kasi mag-freeload lang naman kami ng libreng drinks. We just have to get there. So,
Okay.
ikaw hindi mabait ka remember?
Oh, yes. Mabait ako.
Oo.
Yes, that's true.
Oo.
Okay. So,
So, mabait siya nun.
yeah. Until now, mabait
Wow,
pa rin naman
okay.
ako.
Sige.
So, yeah.
We're gonna play.
We have a game.
Kailangan muna mag-relax kami. Mag-play muna tayo, ha?
Okay. The name of the game is Who's That Ante? So, sino yung ante na yan? Di-describe natin. Sino yan between the
Ante.
two of us? Okay?
Okay.
Cool ante.
Ako!
Definitely me.
No!
Ay, ikaw?
Excuse me.
Bakit ikaw?
Kasi sporty spice ako eh.
Sporty lang, cool na.
Oo! Ikaw!
Kaloka.
Ano ka? Ba't ka naging cool?
Ay, mabait nga ako.
Pakigo akong
I
mabait
blend
ka.
with a lot of people. Kaya alam mo kung bakit? People pleaser kasi ako.
Ante, ang tawag doon, pagpupulamastik, tigilan mo yan.
Ay, ano talaga ako? I think I'm the cooler one.
No, I'm the cooler one because, basta, akong
Sige.
cool. Mm-mm.
Fine.
Opinionated and political,
Opinionated or political ante.
Opinionated
Ikaw na yan.
ako.
Ikaw na yan.
Opinionated
See?
ako.
Opinionated din ako, pero
Hindi, masyado kang ano eh.
ikaw na yan.
Oo, ako to,
Oo, sa'yo na
opinionated.
yan. Political
Ha?
ante. Ano ba yung...
Opinionated ako. Oh my
Very
God, I get in
opinionated.
trouble all the time with my social media posts.
Correct.
I could be political, but as of late, I choose not to be because it's a great divide talaga eh, to talk about politics. So, because I value my family and friendship, I stay away from anything that's political or even religious.
Agree.
Unless hindi ko na kaya talaga.
Uh,
Yung mga late...
Tsaka pero mas marami pang topics or discussions na better than politics, in my opinion.
Oh, yes,
So, dapat
yes,
yun na
yes.
lang
Oo.
ang
Tama,
i-focus,
tama.
right?
Yeah.
Religious
Ay, siya
ante.
yan.
Ako yan. Hello, Legion of Mary.
Yes.
Since grade 4.
Oy, pero ikaw yung sumayaw ng like a prayer.
Correct.
Oh, 'di ba?
And yes.
Alam mo yung like a prayer, ano bang meaning nun?
Hindi ko alam, ante. You should know.
Makakancel
So, ante
ako.
religious
Alam mo ba yun?
ante?
Oo. Pero ikaw yung nagla-like a prayer nung kabataan mo. Alam
Ano
mo ba
ibig
yung
sabihin
like a
nun?
prayer?
Hindi, te. Ano ba
Lately. Nako, pakinggan mo. It's about giving head.
Ay,
Like a prayer. When you say my name, I get
okay.
down on my knees. Diyos
Ay,
ko, hindi mo
oo
naisip
nga.
yun.
Hindi ko naisip yun, ante.
Lately na lang pinag-usapan
Very trivial
yun.
lyrics sa akin
Exactly.
dati.
Pero
Oo.
religious ka.
Between the two of us? Yes! I think pwede nga ako maging santo between the two of us.
hindi
Halaman,
ako yan.
ante. Hindi rin
Nakakapatay
ako yan. Lalong hindi si Karen yan. Dami niya na pong
Ang dami kong napatay.
na plants.
Yes. So,
Oo,
no. Wala
hindi
kami
siya
yan. Tech
Tech-savvy,
savvy.
ante.
Hindi rin ako yan.
Ako na siguro to. Between the two
Hindi,
of us.
hindi ka marunong operate ng Spotify. Tsaka hindi ka naka-premium. Ako na yan.
Ikaw ba
Ito,
naka-premium ka?
Naka-premium
Narinig
ako.
ko yung ads mo kanina, ante.
Wala, ikaw yung naka-ads na yun. Phone mo yun. Excuse me. Spotify.
Oh, sige, siya na daw ang techie.
O, wala na kami mabasa.
Si, ang bait, diba?
Oh, thank you daw.
Oh, thank
okay.
you.
Oh, siguro naman nakarelax na tayo, ante. Oh, pwede na tayo mag-usap.
So, bakit nga ba tayo nasa podcasting?
Alam mo naman kung bakit, 'di ba?
Oo, actually, first of all, hindi talaga ako the type that yung parang nasa camera, gusto ko yung nasa camera because for me, it's unnecessary stress unless I'm really, really compelled to be in front. Lagi lang ako behind the scenes, alam mo yan. And si Auntie Karen, ang talagang mas sanay to give speeches, to be a speaker and all that, right? But so, bakit nga nag-start? I came up with the idea to ask Karen to do a podcast about perimenopause and menopause because I was going through a lot of changes in my body for the past 2 months and I couldn't figure it out what's going on with me. So I kept asking my friends, different sets of friends, if they're going through that. So because I felt sad din. Parang na-depressed din ako for a while na I couldn't do a lot of things. So, they said na, baka perimenopause symptoms na yan. And, ante, hindi ko alam ano ibig sabihin ng perimenopause at
So,
that
you found
time,
out about the term just this year?
That's just this year when I felt the changes.
Okay.
So, I asked those groups of people and then mga co-parent ko na moms, I asked also. So, parang I felt better after that, I guess, because parang, okay, this is normal.
You're not
I'm
alone.
not alone. They're experiencing it. And then I spoke to Auntie Karen, and she said, this is what's happening. This is your symptom. This is we're at that stage na. So, simula nun, every day, nagpapadala na si Auntie Karen ng mga
Reels, ng
Reels,
articles,
and- mga
even the
articles.
video of my supplements.
Correct. I asked Auntie Karen for, ano ba yung supplements mo that could help me manage
Yes.
these symptoms, no? So, pinadala niya sa akin yung video yun. So, after a couple of weeks, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, ba't di na lang tayo mag-podcast
Podcast.
about it? Because, so people can help,
Yes.
can be informed about these things. Kasi ako, wala akong a lot of
Tama.
knowledge about it. And to get the support system.
Yes. That's right. Kasi ako, when you first mentioned it to me, I'm like, bakit nga ba hindi? Because I have yet, the past few months or the past year or two that I have been researching sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Spotify, I have yet to find this conversation
In
from
the
Gen X woman
Philippines.
in a Philippine setting. Yung
Correct.
voice of a Filipina. Who
Kasi
would-
I heard perimenopause and menopause, it's a cultural thing din eh.
Yes,
It's not just
yes. So,
physical.
while it's universal, it's a blessing to be in this place, in this transitional phase, because it means we are living long enough
To reach the stage.
to reach this stage. Science proved na ang women's health is just about childbearing years. Pero hindi pa kasi tumatanda tayo this long to have an intensive and extensive medical research really on this. And this is not just in the Philippines, but more so in the Western countries.
Yeah.
Which, yun ang mga podcasts that I listen to.
Correct.
Pero-
So, that's why na-convince ka
Yeah.
to...
We need to advocate for ourselves, start the conversation na, because when they say, because by the way, I'm very proud to say, I am 50. I'm very happy. I've embraced it. Pero
Wala
para,
naman sa itsura natin.
again. Pero sinasabi ko kasi, para if we don't advocate for ourselves, who will?
Correct.
Diba? And I spend most of my adult life mentoring young women that
Yeah,
nobody
especially
takes
in
care of
sports.
us but ourselves.
Right.
Nobody will advocate for us but ourselves.
So, essentially, yan yung driving
Yes,
force.
ito yung driving
Kaya
force
ka
na, I want to talk
agree.
about it. I'm not
Oo.
scared. I'm not scared because, sabi ko nga sa kanya, mag-podcast tayo regardless if this gain traction or not. This would be a legacy project, a passion project for us.
us.
So that young women of yung mga millennials and Gen Z,
Mga
and
millennial titas
Gen
that will go
Alpha,
through this also.
They will go through because I was telling you nga to be here is a blessing. Because even Princess Diana will never go because she passed away. Na-peril pa siya kasi 36. Some people kasi mas earlier pa daw, but mid-30s, some women go through peri na. So sa kanya, wala siyang ganitong transition, wala siyang ganitong... So para it's a blessing to
reach the stage.
this stage, but it's also challenging because it's not just physical, but mental transition. Na hindi kami nag-iinarte, hindi kami gumising isang araw na gusto na lang naming maglupasay,
Magmaldita.
singhalan, magmaldita, sigawan ng asawa, anak at katrabaho. Hindi. But we are not making lousy excuses for that.
Yeah. Kasi perimenopause and menopause is talagang shrouded with stigma, na
Stigma.
ganon.
Nag-uurungan na ng regla, kaya ganyang katapang yan.
So yun. So that's the reason why we want to do this.
Hmm.
So whether there's the 3 listeners that's there,
anim naman
maging
kasi
3
yung mga
6
barkada
ba?
natin.
Or the 300 people that will listen to us eventually, 3,000, 3 million, whatever it is, this will hopefully this will outlive us.
Yes, yes.
And be that, I mean,
And
a
for
recurring
the
reels for
midlife
them.
Filipina would think, okay, I'm not losing my mind and I'm not alone.
Correct. So, yun yung mga e-expect nyo from us dito sa podcast na to. But, I'm sure a lot of you, or the 6 of you would ask, but you guys are not doctors. Yes, we're not doctors. We're just professional perimenopausal people.
Overly opinionated
So,
women.
and we're gonna be inviting professionals eventually
Yes.
to answer all these
Experts,
questions, to help us along. Your Auntie Karen and Auntie Belle here will just be your, the ones that are asking those questions for you. We'll be holding your hands.
Yes.
We'll go through this journey together as we are going through this journey rin naman. So we'll be feeling a lot of the symptoms. Sometimes ano bang ang dami-daming symptoms.
There
Pwede
are
ba
like over
symptoms?
50
Mag-decide
symptoms.
ka
Yeah,
which one lang. Then stick to it. Sometimes we feel that way, right? But marami siya. And we're gonna be discussing all of those here while having fun, putting wit and humor.
And talagang putting a context of what real Filipinas, like, it's not just about health. We're talking about family, career, friendship, in midlife.
Correct.
So it's a lot of things because our transition affects all of those facets in our lives.
Correct.
At home, at work, and everywhere. So,
Okay, so given that, who do you think should be the audience of this podcast? Aside
Anybody.
from the Gen X.
well,
who's
I guess
going
we
through
speak
this.
for the generation of Generation X. Okay, mga
Correct.
batang 70s, 80s kami, lumaki kami ng 90s, diba? Prime natin yun, sariwang-sariwa tayo.
Correct.
But, because this is the digital age, we want, the people we mentor, the people at work or our pamangkins, to, revisit this 5 years, 10 years down the line.
So even the millennial titas.
Millennial titas, kasi next in line
Correct.
na sila.
Correct. I agree.
Next in line na kayo.
Also, I'm hoping even the men
The men in their lives.
to watch this.
Yes,
And so they
our
can
husbands,
help.
our boyfriends,
Oo.
who would say, is it me? Kasi sila magagaslight, ha?
Correct.
Tayo na
correct.
nang gagaslight ngayon, tandaan mo yan. Huminga lang ang asawa ko. Gusto ko na siyang bigwasan.
Correct.
'Di ba? Everything is just
Correct. Ako gigising ng umaga pag inis agad ako. Hindi ko alam
and it's
bakit.
not them. So it's about
really
it's not
them.
just about these women but the men in their lives because they need to be comfortable na it's not them. She's not losing her mind, but it's a transition. It's an upgrade of my woman and they need to hold our hand.
Correct.
When this
They
happens.
also have to understand what we're going
They
through.
need to prepare themselves.
Kasi ang men, ano lang ba, puberty lang naman ang stage na pinagdaanan nila. And then lalaki
Pero may
na
male
sila.
menopause daw, ante.
Andropause.
Andropause.
But I don't know kung
pero
ano bang...
mga asawa na natin magpondo noon, punyemas, no?
Oo, pero tayo, dalawa yung at least main, puberty and then menopause. Optional pa if you give birth.
Exactly.
Magpo-postpartum ka pa niyan.
Oh, yeah.
Meron ka pang, may menstrual, of course, nag-menstrual ka. So, ang daming stages.
Mahirap
So,
maging babae.
Correct. So, yung mga stages na yon, kinaya natin lahat yon, but we need the support of men in our lives as well. So,
Yes.
we really need you to, for the men, invite all the...
In our advocacy, it's called
to
he
watch
for
this.
she.
Correct. So that's
We need
that's-
them
that's
for
no.
us.
Okay. So that's why we're inviting you guys to watch our episodes, our succeeding episodes. It's a chock full of information with wit, humor, and backed by science, definitely. So you get to experience it. We'll take you on a ride with it as we go on a ride with it. So please watch us every Thursday.
We're gonna be available in Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Yes.
So watch out for us. We're not nobody titas. You're regular antes. Kaya ante kasi hindi lang kami auntie nyo. Kami rin yung ate-auntie ninyo because we will make sure na bago nyo pagdaanan, sasabihin namin, okay lang yan, hindi ka nauulol, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine, you'll be fantastic. And there is always hope na when you feel sad or you feel like, why is my body failing me? No, your body and your mind is not failing you.
It's transition
It's
into a better
transition
you.
to a better you and to an
Yes.
upgrade of the kind of woman that you're gonna be. So we hope
So
to
more
see you
of
guys
that.
soon. Yeah, more of that in the next couple of episodes.
Yep.
All right.
So again, this is your Auntie Belle.
And this is your Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time.